I'm Charlotte and I'm primarily a clothing historian on TikTok, but what my followers don't know about me is that my day job is actually a professional makeup artist for TV and film. I spent all of last summer working as head of department on a film, and last night was the premiere, so come along to my first movie premiere ever. We drove to Massachusetts where the movie was filmed. The entire cast and crew showed up to see the film, which was awesome. Here I am with Jess, who is my assistant, but really my partner because I could not have done it without her. The crew gathered for some photos on the red carpet, and there was actually a red carpet, which was so fun. And it was so nice to see everybody a year later. It was like one big giant reunion. Here we are organizing for our photo. The director is the one on the end closest to us with his wife, and everyone here is just taking pictures. That's our cinematographer / editor with one of our stars, and there's another star in her green dress, so pretty. Jess and I had to get some footage of us literally walking on the red carpet. And then it was time to go see the movie. We completely packed 2 huge theaters. The movie is about a historic Irish figure named Daniel O'Connell, so if any Irish people are on here who know him, let me know. My music cuts out here, but our director gave a short speech and then the movie rolled. I didn't film during it, but I got shots of the credits. This was the title page of the film, and then I took a video of the credits. It was so surreal to see my name on the screen, and then I also got a shot of my team's names. I love you guys so much. Also, my family showed up to support me, which was amazing of them. I love you guys, and the whole experience was 10 out of 10.